नमस्कार। मैं प्रतीश कुमार खरे आपसे बात कर रहा हूँ। मैं इस समय बेंगलोर एयरपोर्ट पे हूँ और मुझे ऐसा लगा कि यहाँ जब तक मैं इंतज़ार कर रहा हूँ, टिल द टाइम आई एम वेटिंग फॉर द माई फ्लाइट, आई हैव टू डिस्कस समथिंग अबाउट सेफ्टी. As a safety person, or you are the follower of the industrial safety aspects, or wherever you are working, you are the representative of safety. And some sound you are listening behind me, and these are the announcement, and murmuring is going on. But when I was sitting here, I thought I have to discuss about safety, and very common topics I will discuss. That will be the related with the personal protective equipments. My dear friends, as you know, the personal protective equipments are very essential part. It is playing the very vital role for the prevention of the accident at the site, and particularly for the construction site. Construction site is such an area that workers, or who may be the working in that area, he may be the officer or the senior level person, when they are going inside the plant area, that they should use the personal protective equipments. And personal protective equipments, helmet, goggles, particularly where the dusting area is there. And time to time I am seeing my eyelid is seeing somewhere, and some changes, some flights are coming, and presently I am saying the Air Asia flights are coming and going to be parked. So I am seeing that everybody has seen who has traveled through the flights. They have seen all the person who are moving in the working area, they are having the jackets. Why the jackets? Jackets is having the strips, and when the light is falling on that strip, it is glowing. Same thing can be applied in the construction site. And in Tamil Nadu area, one of the site we have decided, and I have gone through that also, that each and every person, from top person, we say the project director person, or chief construction engineer, site engineers, or the contractor side also, when they are entering in the field, they are having three essential personal protective equipments. First is helmet, second is jacket, and third is the safety shoe. And I will tell you that there was for implementing the system, the hitches will be there, the discussion will be there, why you have to implement it and what is the benefit of that. We are not the worker, why we have to use in the field. This type question will arise. Answer of this type question is very easy. Some are facing tough. I know that. I am going through the various reports, and it is very, sir, we are the person who has to set the example. If you are going inside the field area and you are not using the personal protective, why this worker will one day he will say that I have seen that Mr. Khare is moving inside the plant area and he is not using any PP, simply is moving in the chappal. this chappal, yes. This is the experience of some sites. One of the senior officer is moving inside the plant area in Hawaii chappal. You know, the rubber, hai na? So, the various types of person are there. So I am saying the safety officer's job is very tough. He has to break the set mind of the person. Why I have to use it? What is the benefit of that? Benefit are very clear. That when you are using that, maybe you see the that riders nowadays, the pillion. Now that recently one guideline has come, very tragic incident of Mr. Mistry, and this in the car, the person who are sitting at the rear seat, they should also have the belt. Okay, these some cars are, most of the cars nowadays are having the safety belt at the rear seat also. So only the matter of the using. You know that in the rear seat safety belt is there, but very honestly you tell who is using it. Not okay, no problem. If you are not using earlier, now you start the using. It is for your benefit. That incident, the investigation is still going on. The incident are giving the very clear-cut picture. It may be the very costly vehicle when driving, and the safety precaution. So the driving requirement, I should say, and the safety precaution has been not taken care. That problem will be there. So, and second is the helmet. When you are using the helmet, it should be in such a manner some interruption was there in between. Might you are seeing my face was not visible. Some phone call has come. So in this, what I want to tell you, if you are using the helmet and not applying the chin strap, in earlier video and in earlier podcast also I have told about that chin strap is playing very essential part in that, in the helmet. Suppose by chance you have fallen down, so naturally that head is coming first on the ground, or your hand is coming on the ground for protecting. It's an inbuilt system. But when helmet will fall down, when chin strap not applied, that head injury may be there. It's very simple. You are not using the goggle in the plant area. That in the working area, particularly for the construction zone, the dustings are there, and the eye, or if you are going and somewhere the activities are going on, you are observing that something has, when foreign material has come and hit your eye, that goggle is protecting. Another essential part when you are in the process industry particularly, or in the construction also, you should use the this ear plug or ear muff. I am not going to tell this what is the limits and other things, but if you are using it and making a practice, that it means you are protecting yourself. What is the personal protective equipment? Personal protective equipment, only the equipment where you are, when you are using it, you are protecting yourself. So very, it is very clear that you are not using personal protective equipment, you are not protecting yourself. If you are using the personal protective equipment, you are protecting yourself. So the respiratory protection system, non-respiratory protection system, I should say in the very short that from head to toe, for the external part of the body, which the equipment you are using or being used, that's called the non-respiratory personal protective equipment, which is protecting the internal part of your body or the related with the respiration. That is the respiratory equipments. So here now that some announcement is going on, and my friend is saying to me that they are indicating to go to the gate number 2. So I am on the way to Mumbai. Thank you. See you again. Namaskar. I am having, if you are seeing this and I am recording at the airport, I am not having the mask. I am having the mask only for the recording. I am totally in the separate zone. So I am recording it. Thank you. Be safe. And in the field, it is my humble request, who may be there going in the field, in the working island, in the construction site, in the process industry, try to see that elimination of the unsafe act and unsafe conditions. So in the next video I will discuss in detail about the unsafe condition and unsafe act. Why I am saying the detail in mean that when I am recording these videos, I am believing the person who are viewing this video, they are knowing a lot of things. What I am doing, I am summarizing in detail. Thank you, namaskar. Use the mask, maintain the safe distance. Thank you.